Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sanjana. In today's video, I'll be showing you all the products that I received in the Happy Wagon mystery box. That I think the offer is still going on. You can check it out in the link in the description box below. So let's get started with the first product. The first one here is this badge, and I don't know what's going on with these badges. Like a lot of the brands are offering it as freebies, as like this mystery box, and I just want to hear from you guys because I know some of these products, like, I might not like it but other people do like it. But let me know if this is something that you use, and if you do, how do you use it? Because I don't really know how to use it apart from like putting it on your bag. But I don't have any complaints with regards to the design. I absolutely love it. I really like Tatiana's illustrations and, well, most of her products that are there on the Happy Wagon website. So with this mystery box, I was kind of a bit nervous to see like which brand or which artist products I'm gonna get. I'm so happy with like Tatiana's products. So yeah, this is the first one. Do let me know what you feel about these badges. It'll be interesting to get your thoughts. Then I got these two keychains, and I mentioned in one of the videos that I'm planning to buy these, and by the time I like decided and I went to place an order, it was sold out. And I was like, I really like these keychains. I loved the birds, they kind of looked cute, so I was a bit disappointed. But then when it came in the mystery box, like, I was just so happy because I wanted to get it, and it came in the mystery box, so that is nice. By the way, all of these products that I'm gonna show you, like, together are worth 2,500. So this one is, I'm not really sure about the bird name. I'll add it on the screen here. It's a really cute one. And just one thing, like, I saw that this hook, I don't know if it's in focus, like, there's a little bit of gap here. So to take like keys, I hope it doesn't like fall off. So this is one, and then this is a really cute like blue bird. Both of these birds, like, or keychains and designs or colors, have very different vibes to it. So I really like it. And even if you're not going to use this as keychains, it'd be quite nice to add like charms, like tiny wall hangings, or on your pin board you can just put it. I think it looks so cute. So these are acrylic ones, and yeah, I really like it. I love that I got these two keychains in this mystery box. Then next is this tea towel. This one, there are two sort of themes in the tea towels from Tatiana. One is like these floral ones, and the other one is birds. So this floral one, it says bloom where you are planted. I will insert like a picture of the entire tea towel because it doesn't fit in the frame, and it's quite large. Like, it is really large. I think this one's like, if you're buying it in a combo, it is, I guess it's $4.99 for two tea towels. So this one says bloom where you're planted. I'm planning to move towards like later this year, so I thought I'll save these for my new place, because here we already have some, so it's nice to like get some products for the new place. So this is one with two tea towels. This one's got like a similar pattern, but it is there throughout, so the entire pattern is there on the whole tea towel. I really like the colors. I love how bright it looks, and yeah, it kind of looks really nice. I liked it. And the quality seems really good. The cloth, it's very well made. I don't know, I just feel it with the cloth while I'm just touching it. I don't know if it might change after it goes through like one wash, but for now it feels pretty good. So yeah, this is a tea towel. And then next we have a tote bag. Some of you like it, some of you don't. I personally like this one a lot. I think for me tote bags really depends on the design. This one I feel it'll be really nice to like take it for groceries, or you know, if you're just going to a small store to pick up some stuff. I think it'll be really nice to take this. I feel it look really good for groceries. I just like it, and I love that it's got that creamy background, because the Ink Bucket one has a white background. And I just like the warmth that this one gives. It looks very warm and nice. It gives a good feeling. That one I'm just worried like I hope I don't make it dirty. This one, I think it looked nice. It looked really cute. So we have this. Then we move on to the stationery products. First off, in the stationery products, we have a notebook, and this is just like a regular lined stitch bound notebook, A5 size, and this is very similar to the Ink Bucket notebooks that we got as part of 2021 planner freebies. So the quality is exactly the same, the paper, everything is the same. I was using it for affirmations last year. This year I'm planning to use it like as a companion for my social media planner, because the Ink Bucket Undated planner does not have notes pages at the back. So I think it'll be nice to put this in the back pocket. Let me actually get that planner and show you. So this one is the Ink Bucket Undated planner that I'm using this year, and after like December it just ends. So I was thinking I could store this book in the back pocket here, and then if I want to make some notes, or if, yeah, basically whatever I wanted to add in the notes pages, I could add it in this particular book. There are like a lot of stuff in the pocket already, so I'll probably remove them and put this one in there. It fits perfectly, and it's got the same bloom pattern as the tea towels that I showed you, so it's a nice one. Okay, then we have a notebook. I loved this design, and I was so happy to get this one because I've been looking at some of the products which has this particular design on their website. I think there must be like a small A6 notebook and like a pillowcase and all of those things. So it's really nice. I just love how whimsical it looks. I really love the colors, the illustrations here. Let me just remove this and show you guys fully. Here we go. It is so cute, and it's got the silver foiling which says notebook, and these are like the whimsical moths. Then the book has got that again creamy paper. I love this. Compared to white paper, I absolutely prefer the creaminess. It just gives me a very nice feeling, and the entire book is plain. For me, like, I've not used a lot of plain books, so it'll be nice to see what I do with this. I was thinking I could do like creative journaling, because there are no restrictions with the lines, right? I can like add a lot of stickers and create a spread, like, yeah, basically journal in a creative way, whether it is to create illustrations or add stickers. Mostly I know I will be adding stickers because I really love stickers, and I might try using craft paper too, because recently I bought 2 sets of craft papers, so I could do like all that. Let me know if you'd be interested in something like that. I was thinking that they would give the dot grid journal, because in the past some of the freebies had included dot grid journal, but I had not purchased during that time. And my plan with that dot grid journal was to create like a reading journal. Since it's plain, with reading journals I definitely want lines in there, so probably this one I will be using it for creative journaling. Let me know if you'll be interested in that. And then it also comes with a really cute bookmark with the same matching illustrations. I just love it. I love this particular like design. It's so nice. And you also get like an elastic band along with a pen loop, which you can use to keep your pen. I loved it, and this design is just too good. I don't really feel like using it for like making rough notes or just using it as a random notebook. I think I want this to be part of my collection, you know, the planners I've been using, things that I save over the years. I definitely want this to be a part of that, and I feel creative journaling would sort of help me to make the best use out of this particular notebook. Then we have this 2022 Birds desk calendar. Oh my god, you know what? I saw this desk calendar after the Ink Bucket launch, and I felt like, damn, I should have probably ordered only the planner, like either the wall calendar and the planner from Ink Bucket, and for desk calendar I should have waited for this one. But then the Botanical Story launch happened, and I bought the desk calendar because I loved it. I just loved the designs on there. But this one, I think among all the desk calendars, this one's definitely my favorite, because you have these gold wire bounding at the top, and then you have like with the illustrations, even in the background there's some sort of very like muted color. I think the light is sort of washing it out. Let me try to switch off the light. I think you can see now, right? It's got that really nice light blue. I just love it. And this one's got that creamy yellow. I love these this particular birds. Like, it's even there in the 2022 Tatiana's planner. It is so beautiful. I just love it. This one's for March, and then this one's for April. This is so different and nice. You know, I've seen a lot of like designs using either like nice muted pastel colors or more earthy tones, or sort of like dark and deeper tones. This sort of bright like parrot green is such a refreshment to look at. And then there's like another butterfly here, so cute. This one's obviously like the keychain one of my favorites. I love the color of the beak, very cute. And this one's for June. Like I said, it's got that background color which I really liked. And also this one, like, you know, the background of the calendar, I just love it. Even if you just put this on display, it looks so pretty. I just really liked it. Then this one's for July, August, then September, October. It's got the keychain one, then November and December. Oh my god, this is so cute. I really loved it, and I'm so glad that it was part of the mystery box. So these were all the products that came in the Happy Wagon mystery box. And just to sum it up, we got a badge, 2 keychains, one A5 notebook, one hardcover notebook, and a tote bag, a desk calendar, as well as 2 decals. Let me know what you think about it. Did you like the products? I was so glad and kind of relieved, because some of these mystery boxes, or like these secretive freebies, have been a hit and miss. So I was a little bit nervous, but I'm extremely glad that I got Tatiana's products, because as I said, I love her illustrations, and most of it were my favorites, like these moth ones, the desk calendar, the keychains. They're my favorites. And even these like bloom ones, I probably might not have picked it up myself. There were other designs which I would have preferred, but I absolutely don't mind it. It kind of looks more pretty in person than it does on the website. So yeah, this was the unboxing and talking about this particular mystery box. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.